Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to create this kind of perforated drum in SolidWorks. Here you can see this kind of drum widely used in industries in sorting applications. Sorting rotary drum conveyors, this kind of perforated drums are used. Okay, let's see how to create this kind of perforated drum. Okay, let's open the file new. Let's close this one. New part drawing. Okay. Select the right plane and go to sketch. Draw a circle with the diameter of let's take the diameter as around 60 centimeter, 600 millimeter, 2 feet diameter rotary drum we are going to create around. Okay, then go to extrude. Let's take its length of the drum as 2.5 meter, 2500. Here you can see the cylindrical drum. Let me change the appearance, plain white. Let's take this one as metal bronze shape. Here. Okay, this is a solid cylinder. So then we are going to convert into a shell model. So then after we are going to convert it into a sheet metal. Okay, first let's convert into a shell model. So with the control, select these two faces, then go to shell command. Let's take the sheet metal thickness as 5 mm sheet metal thickness. So that means we are going to create this drum using the 5 mm sheet metal. Here you can see the hollow shell model. So then we are going to convert into a sheet metal. Before we are going to convert into a sheet metal, we have to introduce a small cut. That means we have to open this cylindrical surface in one side. To open this one, we are going to introduce a small cut. So select the front plane, go to sketch, select the corner rectangle, then draw a rectangle which covers the upper edge of the cylinder. So then go to features, extruded cut. So then select the mid plane cut. Select the thickness as 4 mm. So that means it introduce the 4 mm wide small cut through this edge. Here you can see it has generated the small cut. So then we can unfold this sheet metal. Okay, then let's first convert into a sheet metal. Click one of these edge. So go to insert bin. So keep other parameters as it is. So this command we are using only to convert into a sheet metal. Okay, here you can see it has converted to a sheet metal. So you can see the unfold flattened view also. Here you can see the flattened view. So then we are going to convert. We are going to generate the holes in this sheet metal. Let's take. Let's unfold this first one. Let's unfold this sheet. Select one of this edge. Then go to unfold command. Because this is a cylindrical one. No specific bin to select, so collect all bins. So click OK. You can see it has unfold. So then we are going to create the holes. Select this face and go to sketch. Let's draw the hole. Let's take the hole diameter as 200. Let's take this dimensions. (200). Then let's take this dimension as 250. This dimension as 250. So then we are going to use the linear pattern to draw the other circles. Go to linear pattern. So then select this edge an entities to pattern. This is the entity you are going to pattern. So because this is the hole diameter as 200, let's take the spacing in between the two holes as 250. Then let's take 9 circles. Okay, you can see the 9 circles in this x-axis, along the x-axis. Then again go to the linear pattern. So in this time we are going to select the in downward direction. In this direction again select the hole spacing as center spacing as 250. So then entities to pattern. So select this, all of these entities. With the control, select all of these. Then reverse the direction. Sorry, here reverse the direction. So then let's increase the number of holes. Yeah, okay. Okay, you can see the. Then we are going to go to extruded cut. Okay, click through all. This is here you can see this is the mesh. So then we are going to fold it to a cylindrical shape. Then select one of these edge. Then go to fold command. Select all bends. Here you can see our perforated cylindrical drum. This is how we are creating a perforated cylindrical drum in SolidWorks. Okay, if you learn something from this video, please like the video. If you want to see more video like this in future, subscribe to Top Mech Edu. Thank you. See you next time.